Moving is the hardest thing ever. I was telling it to the movers that we hired. I was like, you have the hardest job ever. That might be a problem. And we are off from the Edge Hill house in Nashville. My humble abode since 2021. I still lived in college when I moved into this house. Here's the big old U-Haul. We got it filled up most of the way. First trip. I'm not going to take it down again. Motorcycle, some of the stuff. Moves are coming noon to 2, so we're doing this first U-Haul run, unpacking. We're going to get some of the 50s diner stuff out. Just move some stuff into this room. We're gonna put it in this U-Haul, and we're gonna move that to storage, bring it back here, meet the movers, do one more U-Haul, and then go with the movers, and we should have everything. But it is moving day, baby. It doesn't feel real. I'm just so stressed out and tired and hurting. So maybe it'll feel real when we get out there. We'll see. Exciting though. We are freaking arriving. It's 9:40 on September 19th. 2025. Moving into the new house, arriving with the U-Haul and Julia.
Oh, that's really zoomed in.
I think my mom's there. What
the heck? What is going on? Oh, we made it! We're here. This is our forever home. We're here.
We are here.
Oh my gosh.
On straight.
Yep. Woo!
Never been on one of these before, but I guess we'll figure it out. They're supposedly fun. Come on! Like we can make it? No, that's a jump. They didn't fill that? It's supposed to be done. It's supposed to be done. I had to put everything in the U-Haul. Going to the storage unit. We're gonna try to now get this 50s diner stuff out of storage by myself. If I do it, it'll go down in the Guinness Book World Records. Moving is the hardest thing ever. I was telling it to the movers that we hired. I was like, you have the hardest job ever. I am definitely exhausted. My body's feeling it. My hands are cut up. The freaking sun is beautiful. My parents sounded pretty happy over the phone. They've been stressed and frustrated for a long time. So all is well. All is well. I don't think moving can ever be like a very easy, swift task. So I had expectations set for it to be a little chaotic, which it is, which we're okay with. We thrive in the chaos. What you don't know is that inside my headphones I have full volume EDM house music blaring. So that's why maybe I'm screaming at this thing, I don't know. I don't have a lot of social awareness. See you soon, my battery's low, so we're gonna try to freaking save it. Oh God, beautiful evening. What a happy day. I'm blessed. Love you. Just a tad sweaty. Almost done. A couple more boxes. I'm on 2%. See you at the house. We're going to put the brown couch in this little tactical shed at the front of the property. Only issue is it's cleared out, but there's some spider webs. I noticed walking in there yesterday, I was like, there's definitely some spiders in here. I'm trying to come to terms with my fear of spiders. I've read a lot online on how they can be protective in a spiritual sense and from other little critters. Oh God, that might be flying out the back. But where I was getting at is there's a fat, juicy, thick mama black widow in the corner of this shed. So I'm just gonna tell her I won't bother her. Stay in the corner. Let me plop this shit in there and I'll be out of her hair. So we got a little tactical shed right up here, top of the property. This little flat grassland is where my parents are gonna build their house. And behind, a little horse trotting field. The septic field is actually under that, so it all drains off the land, and then this is raised up here. So that's what we're going to do for the build site, and then they have a completely unobstructed view out of the front of their property, and you can't see Julia and I's house from here, which is pretty cool. So just beautiful, but let's unload this shit, huh? That might be a problem. Well, we'll just push it up, push it in there, and make do. First one done. It's been absolute chaos. It's Sunday and we're getting close, but little things here and there, but it's a pretty intricate process. Moving from our house, then the parents' house, into one house, and then the stuff that's already left here, but we're getting through it. I work tomorrow, 6 a.m. conveniently, right down the road from where we first moved. That'll be good. And then we're doing the closing tomorrow at 2 p.m. This thing will officially be in my name. But it's been an enjoyable experience. I haven't worked out in like 5 or 6 days because we've just been moving nonstop, and I'm using muscles I don't normally use, which is good. But I think it's taking the place of the gym for now. Getting some massive amounts of cardio in. Let's loop back in, grab the other couches, and on our way. I'll show you this room here. A lot of spiders. Go in, you little bitch. Okay. Yeah, the Black Widow's in that corner. Black Widow's in that corner. She's so big. That'll work. See you later, spider shit. Gotta do something about that. So here's some of the other stuff from the diner that we couldn't get into storage. This will go in the barn when we do the office and the gym in there. These couple pieces, these little couches here, super cool. Definitely think we can repurpose them, but not for the time being. So probably storage with those pretty soon with the rest of 50s Diner stuff. A lot of this stuff is my mom's art supplies from her art studio. So I think we're gonna store there until she can get a studio space set up. This couch came with the house, super nice. It's got some cowhide leather on the back, but don't have a place for it. Doesn't really fit in the living room. So maybe sell that or get rid of that soon. But I'm gonna try to organize some of this stuff, see if we can clear out a little space and organize some of this stuff. We got the motorcycle over there. See if we can get a little structure. There we are. See if we can get a little structure to this garage. Making some progress. Making some progress. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I think so. I figured make this unit, motorcycle, work, area, hangout, tools, and then both of those will be open. Yeah. For y'all's. Sweet.
Nice, babe.
What we're doing. What are you talking about? I'm making incredible progress.
Yeah. Just.
Very fun.
Yeah. You all looked at a lot of properties.
This
Enough.
one was actually the first. Well, I looked at one or two before this one, but this is the first one that we all looked at together.
Okay.
And we just kind of knew.
Yeah.
We liked it from the jump.
Yeah.
Are you done for the day, or are you still going?
No, we're still going. We gotta do the last part of this scene.
How'd you get started in acting?
Luck.
Like age? Yeah.
No, they contacted me about the show a week before they started filming. And now I'm here.
Wow, really? That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Good for you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank
Nice to see you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you for coming out.
Of course.
I love you. I love you. Thank you so much.
Right, all right. We got a bunch of trash in the car, and I'm not just talking about me. It's, what is it? About 10 a.m. on September 23rd, Tuesday. I got today off unexpectedly. I was supposed to work Monday through Thursday. Now I'm filming Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So we got another free day here to get a bunch of shit done around the house that we still need to get done. We had a very successful weekend of moving. You know, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I was very happy with the progress. Got a lot of shit done. Got the garage cleared out and sorted. Got all the stuff unpacked basically, and now I'm taking all the trash from moving. So we got the bed filled with all the moving boxes. We got trash, and we had the pest control guy come this morning, so I just took him around the property. We had a black widow in that shed up at the front. I learned that there was some termite residue up there as well, and that looked like it'd been there for a long time. So that's near my parents' build site where they're going to be building up there. So I'm having them spray and do the preventative termite maintenance up there as well as at the house, just because I was like, it, you know, might as well nip it in the butt before it starts rather than deal with it later and have it be more expensive. So having the pest control guy do all the pest and rodent control around the house, doing the termites up there by the tactical shed where I put the couch. So my parents don't have to deal with any termite colonies up there when we're building in a few months. And so that's set. We're going to deliver the trash. We're going to go run to the Nashville house. Hopefully, one more time. This is hopefully the last time. There's some trash there and some items that I need to bring to storage. So we're going to knock that out today. I want to finish getting the office set up today. Got it, basically all the stuff in there, but don't have it hooked up yet properly where it's the true command center. So yeah, we got a lot of shit to do today. I got a lot of work in terms of social media, my businesses, and preparing for the launch of the show with some of these revenue streams that we're working on optimizing. So it's going to be a good one. Sun just came out. It was a little bit of a rainy morning, but I'm excited to have today off. I'm excited to have Thursday off. Hopefully that sticks so we can continue to get some work done. But we're knocking out the key items, the key essentials, and getting moved in here, and it's a blessing. So I'm happy, got a good night's rest, and let's attack the day. We're going to start with throwing this shit away. I'll update you soon. All right, we're back from throwing the trash away. But we figured out that the tornado shelter, which is under the little patio, got flooded from the rain last night. So it's supposed to rain quite a bit this week. So I went and got some sandbags from Lowe's, put at the entrance until we can maybe do some grading or maybe replace the wooden door with something metal where it's has a better seal. But I don't know if this is going to work, but give it a shot. Some of the last major items from the house. Look at how awesome this thing is. Here's just about anything. Big old plastic wheelbarrow. Garage sale, free, it says on it. How about that? Looking forward to setting both of those up. Thank you, Sam. Just shove the tripod in the door handle. It's vibrating and doesn't look secure, but that's what we got to work with right now.